In today's video, I will be showing you guys a terrible support setting mistake that even you may be making. So pay attention and stick to the end of the video. This video is sponsored by PCBway, more about them later. Alright, let's dive right in. I will go through the process of support generation for this beautiful column 3D model. Can you spot the error? So most people I have seen 3D print will import their 3D model and recognize that supports are needed, and then they will immediately hit generate supports without changing any settings. What they will soon realize, unless you're an absolute beginner, you will realize that tree supports, or organic supports in this case, would be a much better option because the rectilinear or standard supports would use more filament and be more of a hassle to remove. So you would probably change the support into organic and generate again. They will then hit generate supports everywhere. Do you see the mistake? Supports will be generated from the 3D model itself, and in this case, support removal would be very tenacious, and you would have to use pliers or a knife. Instead, change the support setting to generate supports on build plate only. This time, supports will be generated from the build plate, so the 3D print will succeed and the support removal will be satisfying. But wait, there's more. One instance where using this setting would not apply is this intricate dragon model. Notice how if you only generate supports from the build plate, part of the tongue will be 3D printed in mid-air, which is a big no-no in 3D printing. In this example, you would need to generate supports everywhere. Support removal would be tenacious and very meticulous, but it is a sacrifice you would need to make for this specific model. To summarize, you must really analyze your 3D model to fully understand what type of supports it requires. Really imagine the post-processing. How can you make your future self's life easier? But if you don't own a 3D printer, or you do not want to go through the hassle of 3D printing a complex object yourself, check out the sponsor of today's video, PCBway. PCBway offers various 3D printing technologies with a wide variety of exotic materials, even titanium. Use the link in the description to use PCBway for your first project today. Anyways, if you learned something interesting from this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Let me know any thoughts in the comments below. Have a great day and happy printing. The links to the 3D models will be in the description. Thank you.